Hello, it's Ben Cooper here again from Berthon, and we are here today in Brighton Marina aboard the lovely Swan 48 ASSUAGE. So let's hop on board ASSUAGE and make our way to the bow, along the wide side decks, which is a trademark of the classic Frers design. You'll notice that the deck is in exceptionally good order for a yacht of her age. It was replaced here at Berthon in 2020 and has been very well looked after since. She is a very powerful but controllable sail plan with carbon poles, mast and boom, detachable inner forestay for storm sails and the safety, and a hydraulically operated baby stay to brace against the check stays. The 3DI mainsail is hoisted on a bolt rope, but the external track will also take cars for cruising. You will also see that there's an additional trysail track on the port side. All sail controls are led back to the secure forward cockpit, and sheet controls led back to the large aft cockpit, as is so typical with this generation of Frers Swans. Running rigging is of various ages and kept on top of by her very fastidious owner. Hopping into the aft cockpit, you can get a good view of the twin companionways and bridge deck. This lovely feature keeps the aft cockpit clear of a lot of the running rigging and also gives great headroom in the aft cabin. The second aft companionway also works really well when cruising for safe and dry entry below without the need of a large and cumbersome spray hood. All the deck gear is in excellent condition. She has upgraded primary winches from Build and recently replaced main sheet system by Harken. So that concludes our tour of the deck, and now for the interior. We start in the saloon area, a very large table and seating for around 8 with the lovely director's chairs, comfortable sofa on the starboard side just forward of the very nice chart table, and control centre of the yacht. More of that later. Moving forward in the yacht, ASSUAGE has a lovely configuration with 4 generous bunks in 2 cabins and share a large heads forward with separate access from both cabins. All the upholstery is in excellent condition throughout the yacht. And moving back to the saloon, we can have a quick look at the chart table located to starboard. A large hanging locker right next to the companionway keeps the interior nice and dry. Lots of storage behind the nav seat for charts, books, etc. And you can also see the famous blue folders there that are always supplied by Nautor. Next to the well-designed switch panel are the new B&G VHF, an H3000 FFD and the all-important Fusion stereo. You'll also see the Iridium Go in the corner next to the B&G Z8 chart plotter. Next up, we head to the Galley. The 3-burner stove was rebuilt completely in 2021. You can see the microwave above it, and just forward the large front-loading 110 litre fridge with a secure catch. Twin stainless sinks are under the cockpit, with the side access to the engine is underneath. In the corner there's a top-loading freezer which is 70 litres, and there's plenty of storage throughout the Galley. Now back into the spacious aft cabin with the deck access we spoke about earlier. It's the end of the season, so apologies for the sails stored on the bed there. There's lots of storage outboard and also under the berth here. The full-length mirror on the bulkhead also makes the cabin feel very spacious, as well as being able to keep an eye on the helm from your bed. A quick look into the aft heads. It's quite spacious for a yacht of this size and in lovely condition. We'll finish the tour with a quick peek into the engine room. This is a Volvo Penta MD22 55 horsepower engine. It was removed from the yacht in 2021, the cylinder head was refurbished and a new block was added, and then it was completely rebuilt. You can see at the front there, the two compressors there are for the water maker and the fridge freezer. Now I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you'd like any more information, please do contact us, and if you'd like to see any more yacht tours, please press the subscribe button below.